Yo YouTube, it's Chris Grove back. I got another pack right here. This is from AliExpress. Going out to all these people that keep on commenting on my videos talking about AliExpress sells fakes. They sell authentics too. You just gotta look on through all the listings of sellers, because there are some good sellers on that website. So don't call it fake before if you ain't actually went to the website. And most times they're either retail or a little bit below retail. You just can't go by the regular one. You got to go in there and put your price in. Put like 100 to 400. You get the UAs almost, and some of them might be really authentic. Cause I've had a bunch of shoes that were either AAA or authentic, and they also have sales on their authentic shoes. So don't call it fake before you even look at it. If you haven't looked at it, you don't judge the website. I'm tired of that. People comment me, and then I show them the link. Oh man, those are good authentic shoes. I'm like, I knew that. But let's get into the pack. Like I said, this is from AliExpress. It should be some Gamma 11s, size 7, I'm thinking. I bought this for a buddy of mine. Hit me up talking about his friend's wife needed she wanted some Gamma, so I got her. He sent me the money and I ordered them for him. Okay. Okay. Here's the box. I don't know nothing about size 7, but it says size 7 used. The colorway on these, and they say they retail for $130. So retail for $130. It says Air Jordan 11 Retro GS. As y'all see, GS. Size 7 used. It has a wrapping on it, so it came. The box was pretty good. This box was pretty good. And it just says black, Gamma blue, black, and Varsity Maze. See, I don't know if they came with the other box, or like the slide out box, or if this is the right box. So, because I don't know nothing about the GS, because I wear a size 10, so I don't know nothing about the GS. I just ordered these for him, because I saw the shoe was authentic. So, okay, get this sucker open. Let me see. Okay. My bad, didn't even need to bleed. Didn't even need it. Okay, as y'all say, it says premium crafted. Said preferred manner by the greatest ever. Let me see. Y'all can see it. Can you see it a little bit? But it says premium crafted. Oh, performance, my bad, because they got a space in. Inspired by the greatest ever. Yeah, if you see it, they got like a little space right there between in the performance, so you can it's just a regular Jordan box, black. It does have that little suggested retail, but it's like a little sticker, so they got it down. What else? Got Jordan Jumpman right there. Got the little fingerprint right there. This is the basic old box. Yeah, got the white paper. Oh yeah, these things. Here's the shoe. Right here. Third spacing. Got a Maze Jumpman in there. But that's the left one. No, these things don't come. They don't come with carbon fiber. 23s, as you see. Let's see, 23s look good. Third spacing is good. What else? Jumpmans, they look good. The bottom, you can't tell the pod placement. I'm pretty sure the GS ones don't come with carbon fiber, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. Like I said, this is my first pair of 7 shoes, but these are not for me. I can't wear them apparently. But well, as I say in every video, YouTube, like, comment, subscribe. Need help finding shoes? Hit me up. I will, if you need me to, I will leave my Keek in my description. But I'll also leave my email. But if you need it, just hit a question. Hit a comment down below, and I'll just give you my Keek instead of putting it on in my description, because I get so many weird people trying to Keek me, and I'm getting tired of that. So, peace.